Ever wanted to learn French cooking? Sliver and Bite TV can teach you how. This is just a sliver of Espagnole sauce, one of the 5 French mother sauces. For the real-time cooking tutorial, click the banner above. Start by dicing your garlic, onion, celery and carrot. This is called a mirepoix. Pour the beef stock into a pot and bring to the boil. Set that to the side for later. In a large pot, throw in your butter and bring to the sizzle. Then throw in your carrot and onion. Keep this on a medium heat for about 5 minutes until slightly softened. Then sprinkle over the plain flour. Stir this in well and keep on the heat for approximately 7 minutes or until slightly brown. Now it's time to add in the warm beef stock. Make sure you're mixing it with a whisk to stop the flour from clumping. Add in your celery, tomato paste, garlic, whole peppercorns and bay leaves. Mix well and leave on the heat for up to 20 minutes. After you hit 15 minutes, make sure you're checking back regularly because it will thicken rapidly. Looks like we're almost done. We're roughly at the 20-minute mark now, and it's looking fantastic. It's almost like a gravy. Time to set up your jug and your